Hello children, we are going to start with the new chapter, the salient features of the Constitution part 1. So, in the salient features of the Constitution part 1, first we will be doing what are the salient basic features of the Constitution. So, here in today's class, we'll do only three: single citizenship, universal adult franchise, and fundamental rights. And fundamental rights will be doing detail. In today's class, I'll be explaining you only right to equality. Okay, we have seven fundamental rights at present. So only one in this video I'll be explaining to you. So our constitution has established a democratic society. What type of society we are having? We are having a democratic society. Why? Providing justice to all the people, irrespective of their social or cultural background. So it has many salient features. So we will be doing only three salient features here: single citizenship, universal adult franchisee, and then we have fundamental rights, and fundamental rights will be doing in detail. Okay. So what type of citizenship provided to the Indians? What type of citizenship we have? We enjoy single citizenship. And who provides the single citizenship? The Constitution, the Indian Constitution. So the Indian Constitution provides for a single citizenship. Then what is the meaning of single citizenship? This means that all Indians, irrespective of the state of their domicile, are the citizen of India. Repeating again, this means that all Indians, irrespective of the state of their domicile, are the citizen of India. So here you see that in India, a person born in Punjab or in Kerala can only be a citizen of India and not a citizen of state of their domicile as well. So this has been done towards of separatist tendencies and promote fraternity and unity among the people. So another question will why we are given the single citizenship? To avoid separatist tendency and to promote fraternity and unity among the people. So that means that there are some countries who are having a double citizenship. Now like USA. USA has got a double citizenship. Means in this system prevailing in the USA, where one can be a citizen of the New York states as well as an American state the citizen also. But in India it is not like that. A person who is born in Punjab or he is born in Kerala, mm, they are citizen of India. They are not the citizen of the state. However, by the Citizenship Amendment Act 2003, the Government of India has decided to grant dual citizenship to all persons of Indian origin who migrated to other countries after January 26, 1950. All privileges of an Indian citizen except the right of voting could be enjoyed by those holding dual citizenship. This is a very rare case, exceptional case. Next, we have universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means that all persons of 18 years of age and above, okay, 18 years of age or above, have the right to vote irrespective of their caste, color, religion, etc. Understood here? This is universal adult franchising. Okay, so here this is universal adult franchise. Now the next we are going to do fundamental rights. Now what is fundamental rights? They are basic human rights. Fundamental rights are basic human rights which provide the condition essential for the all-round development of a human being. They protect people from against unjust discrimination. They don't make distinction between the human beings based on race, color, sex, religion, or other such considerations. They give recognition to dignity and equality of all human beings. So here, these fundamental rights, which are basic rights, provided the condition for all-round development without any discrimination. No discrimination. It protect the people against unjust discrimination. Now, the fundamental rights are given in Part 3 of the Constitution of India. Which part? Part 3 of the Constitution of India, and they are classified into the following categories. Now we have right to equality, we have right to freedom, we have right against exploitation, freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies, and the right to education. These are the fundamental rights which are guaranteed to all the people. Repeating again, which are the fundamental rights which are guaranteed, which are mentioned in Part 3 of our Constitution: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies, right to education. These are the fundamental rights. Now, in this video, we'll be studying about right to equality. Under which article right to equality is mentioned? Article 14 to 18. Right to equality is mentioned. Means what? All are equal before law. Equal opportunity. Okay? All are equal before law, equal opportunity. So, and it abolishes untouchability and abolishes the titles. Now we'll do it in detail here. Here, the right to equality is mentioned under Article 14 to 18, where equality before law, Article 14 explains equality before law. Means protection by law, equality before law as well as equality in protection by law, irrespective of their economic status, caste, color, creed, religion, or sex. Practice of any kind of discrimination on these accounts makes it punishable offense. Article 15 prohibits discrimination mentioned on the ground mentioned in Article 14. Article 16, that is right to equality, provides for equality of opportunity for all citizens in matter relating to employment in an office under the central or state government. And it prohibits any sort of discrimination on ground mentioned in Article 14. Then Article 17, abolition of untouchability, and its practice in any form is punishable. So any person preventing the other for entering a place of public worship or using a public well, a public transport system, etc., can be punished by law. Article 18, abolition of titles. Abolition of titles. So here it abolishes all titles like Rai Bahadur, Khan Bahadur, Rai Sahab, Maharaja, etc. These titles are considered a negation of equal status for all. So, however, titles like Bharat Ratna, given for meritorious public service, or other titles in a field of sports, academic honor, or military service are not covered by this provision. So here, at last I'll end up like 42nd Amendment Act 1976 put certain restriction on right to equality. A person cannot move the court if this right to equality is restricted to implement the directive principles of state policy. This also you have to know. So in today's class, we completed the meaning of single citizenship, universal adult franchising, meaning of fundamental right, and only one fundamental right so far completed, that is right to equality. Thank you very much.